scientist Rosalind Franklin. What she did? She used the technique X-ray diffraction technique, and by using that, she showed that DNA has a helical structure. उसके बाद आते हैं another scientist Watson and Crick. What they said? They proposed the double helical structure of DNA model, and they said DNA consists of two strands with the help of base pairings. And उन्होंने बोला DNA एक twisted ladder जैसा होता है. आते हैं another scientist, our Michelson and Stahl. What they did? They performed the Michelson-Stahl's experiment by using some nitrogen isotopes, and they proved that semi-conservative replication process. उन्होंने बोला a new DNA always it contain one old DNA strand along with one new DNA strand. Next is our scientist Kornberg. What he did? He performed enzyme isolation experiment, and he discovered the enzyme DNA polymerase enzyme. What is the DNA polymerase enzyme? It is very much useful for our DNA replication. Next scientist is our Severo Ochoa. What he did? He worked on enzyme-based RNA synthesis process, and he discovered enzyme involved in our RNA formation. Next scientist is our George Gamow. What he did? He proposed the triplet code hypothesis. He said 3 nucleotides always represent a 1 amino acid. Genetic code का जो basic idea था यहीं से शुरू हुआ था. Next scientist is our Seymour Benzer. What he did? He showed that a gene is not a single unit, but it has an internal structure, and recombination कहाँ पे होता है? That same inside the gene. Next is our Sidney Brenner. What he did? He proved that the genetic code is a triplet in nature by using which technique? By using frame shift mutation experiment. Next